Hey guys, here we've got this beautiful dark auburn wig, and it comes pre-styled for you with this nice layered design kind of going on back here. You can see the long pieces all the way up to the short and the curtain bangs. And this is a 26-inch wig, so it is perfect for styling for everyday use, as well as parties, costumes, and cosplays, whatever you kind of use your wigs for. And it is really nice too because they give you this little kind of guide on how to get it on, as well as a hairnet and a wig cap, plus a little comb. So I am going to put this on and show you what it looks like all done up. Okay, so here it is on. I've got it all brushed out, and it's got these cute curtain bangs in the front. You can kind of see them now. I love the length. It's super long, as you can see here. And then also, since it is nice and secure on my head, I can style it however I want now. So if you wanted to kind of pull back some of these front pieces maybe, then you could take your little clip and then do kind of like a half up, half down look. Kind of looks a little bit like Ariel to me, which is super cute, especially if you're doing some kind of a costume event thing. You can also do some little pins if that's more of your style. You could pull back the front pieces and then put them up here. That one kind of sat a little funny, but you get what I mean. I don't know, it's just very versatile. Once you've got it on, you can kind of do whatever you want with it. You could even, of course, just let it sit all the way down because it is, again, pre-styled, so it looks good just as is. But if you're looking for a nice new wig for a night out just to hang out, or for your costumes, this one is perfect. It is synthetic, but it looks very realistic, and it just has a really nice flow to it. So there you go.